Good morning, children. This is second lesson in your English. BUKKA Bukka LEARNS learns a LESSON lesson. Bukka learns a lesson. Okay. Writer of the story is Dipan Vita Roy. Dipan Vita Roy. Children, already I explained you this lesson. I hope you all understood. Okay. Now we are going to read this lesson. This is the story about a naughty elephant. Okay. REMEMBER. Remember? Please, children, repeat along with me. All of you, open your term book, page number 1414. Children, all of you, open your term book, page number 1414. Okay. REMEMBER. Remember? You are all big animals. YOUARER all BIG big ANIMALS animals. You are all big animals. Remember, you are all big animals. The the older 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 ELEPHANTS elephants. The older elephants warn 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 the the JUNIORS juniors. Children, all of you should remember, whenever we read the lesson first time, you should underline the difficult words. Which words you feels difficult, that words you have to make the underline. Okay, children? Now, remember how to do underline. REMEMBER. Remember. Please, children, repeat along with me. REMEMBER. Remember. YOUARER all BIG big animals. Animals also underline, children. ANIMALS animals. The the OLDER older elephants 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 also underline. Warn 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 the the JUNIORS juniors. Underline, children. Remember, you are all big animals. Remember, you are all big animals. The older elephants warn the juniors. The older elephants warn the juniors. When when LYING laying down DOWN down, when laying down on the ground GROUND ground, you have to do underline. Ground, you must must, you must watch 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 out out FOR for SNAILS snails. Underline, children. When laying down on the ground, when laying down on the ground, you must watch out for snails. You must watch out for snails. SEEC that that DONT don't crush DON''T don't crush crush you have to underline, children. Crush them under 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 YOUR your WEIGHT wait WEIGHT wait. Please, children, repeat along with me. See that you don't crush them. Don't crush them under your weight. Under your weight. Okay. WEIGHT weight you have to underline, children. Crush also underline. It is it is the the snail, snail. That, that, that. Tells, tells, tells you, you. When, when. Flood, flood, you have to do underline, children. Flood, water, water, water. Enters, enters, enters the forest. Enters, yes, enters the, the, forest, forest. Forest, underline, children. Once again, repeat along with me. When laying down on the ground, you must watch out for snails. You must watch out for snails. See that you don't crush them under your weight. See that you don't crush them under your weight. It is the snail that tells you when flood water enters the forest. It is the snails that tells you when flood water enters the forest. Okay, the snails only tells us when floods water enter to the forest. Check, CHEK, check to CSEEC, if if THERE, 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 ARER, BABY, 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 baby. Squirrels, SQU, underline, children. SQUIRRELS, squirrels. SQUIRRELS, squirrels. Check to see if there are baby squirrels in the hollows of trees. HOLLOWS, hollows you have to underline, children. Hollows of TRES, trees. Check to see if there are baby squirrels in the hollows of trees. When, when you, shake, SHAKE, shake the, the, shake the branches, BRANCHES, branches of a tree, TREE, tree. To, TO2, PICK, pick the, the, FRUITS, fruits. Check to see if there are baby squirrels in the hollows of trees. In the hollows of trees, when you shake the branches of a tree to pick the fruits. To pick the fruits. HOLLOWS, hollows. HOLLOWS, hollows. BRANCHES, branches. BRANCHES, branches of a tree, TRE, tree, to pick the fruits. Then, 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 these, THESE, these animals, 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 will be, WILL, will, BEB, will be the, the, FIRST, first ones, 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 to give you news of any danger. To give you news of any danger, DANGER, danger. Okay, these animals will be the first ones to give you news of any danger. The squirrel, SQUIRREL, the squirrel will bring, BRING, bring you news, NEWS, news of an approaching. Please, children, repeat along with me. APPROACHING, approaching. APPROACHING, approaching forest fire. FOREST, forest, FIRE, fire. Forest fire. The squirrels only will bring the news of an approaching forest fire. Sometimes summer, hot summer days, sometimes it gets forest fires. Okay, that only first squirrels only identify that situation. Okay, the older the older elephants, elephants do not only only teach the young young elephants elephants how to live in harmony. HARMONY. Harmony, underline children. HARMONY. Harmony. Harmony means a peaceful situation where very agrees with the each other. Okay, a peaceful living together. Okay children, the older elephants do not only teach the young elephants how to live in harmony with others, but also but also teach them them, but also teach them how to live in how TO2 LIVE live in HARMONY harmony among their own kind, but also teach them how to live in harmony among their own kind. When when you get news news of good food, when you get news of good food, the elders tell the juniors. ELDERS elders, TELL tell the juniors. JUNIORS juniors. The elders tell the juniors. YOU must not eat alone. You must not eat alone. You must send a message to others. YOU must send message to others. You must send a message to others. Message, underline children. And and if any member member of the herd, herd means what I told you. Herd means, yes, very good, the group of elephants. Okay, herd faces danger. FACES faces danger. DANGER danger. And if any member of the herd faces danger, everyone everyone, underline children, everyone must must rush to help, means ready to help. Okay, everyone must rush to help. You should SHOULD should. See children, here L is silent. Okay, you should always 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 remember REMEMBER. Remember, you should always remember. However, HOWEVER, however big you are, BIG big, YOUARER, however big you are, you might face danger, DANGER danger, if you are alone. Okay, you should always remember, however HOWEVER, however big you are, you might face danger if you are alone. The young elephants, elephants. The young elephants listen to LISTEN. Listen children, underline. Here also T is silent. Okay. LISTEN. Listen to their THEIR. Their elders. ELDERS elders. with, W-I-T-H, with rapt attention, R-A-P-T, rapt, A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N, rapt attention, underline children, R-A-P-T, rapt, A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N, rapt attention means giving completely attention, okay. Only, O-N-L-Y, only, B-U-K-K-A, Bukka. Only Bukka does not like to listen to all this. All the elephants or listen to what the elders are telling, but only Bukka does not like to listen to all this. Okay? O-N-Y, only, B-U-K-K-A, Bukka does not like to listen to all this. Bukka knows that one day he will become the leader. B-U-K-K-A, Bukka, K-N-O-W-S, knows. Here also K is silent, children. While pronouncing, K is silent. Okay. B-U-K-K-A, Bukka, K-N-O-W-S, knows. Bukka knows that, T-H-A-T, that, O-N-E-1, D-A-Y, day. One day he will, W-I-L-L, will become, B-E-C-O-M-E, become the, T-H-E, the leader, L-E-A-D-E-R, leader, you should underline, leader of the herd, H-E-R-D. Herd also underline, children. Only Bukka does not like to listen to all this. Okay. All the young elephants listen to their elders with rapt attention. Okay. But Bukka does not like listen to all this. Okay. Bukka knows that the one day he will become the leader of the herd. Okay. He will become, H-E-W-I-L-L, will, B-E-C-O-M-E, become, H-U-G-E, hues, and A-N-D, and have, H-A-V-E, have, T-H-O-S-E, those, B-I-G, big, T-U-S-K-S, tusk. Tusk means elephant teeth. Okay, tusk means elephant teeth. He will become, use and have those big tusks. Everyone, E-V-E-R-Y, E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E. Everyone also you should underline, children. E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E. Everyone in the jungle, J-U-N-G-L-E. Jungle also underline. Once again repeat, J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. Everyone in the jungle will, W-I-L-L, will be, B-E-B, afraid, A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid also underline, children. A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid of him. Okay. Everyone in the jungle will be afraid of him. So, S-O, so, Bukka, B-U-K-K-A, Bukka does not, D-O-E-S-N apostrophe S-T, does not bother, B-O-T-H-E-R, bother means care, don't care, okay. Bother to make, does not bother to make friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends with those small creatures at all. Bukka does not bother to make friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends also you should underline, children, with those, D-H-O-S-E, those, S-M-A-L-S, small creatures, C-R-E-A-T-U-R-S, creatures, C-R-E-A-T-U-R-S, creatures at all. Okay. Am I fool? Am I fool that I will share any good food that I find? Bukka thinking like this. Okay. Am, I, F-O-O-L, fool, T-H-A-T, that, I, W-I-L-L, will, S-H-A-R-E, share, you should underline, children. Share, A-N-Y-N-E, G-O-O-D, good, F-O-O-D, food, T-H-A-T, that, I-F-I-N-D, fine. Okay. Bukka thinks like this. Am I fool that I will share any good food that I find? Thinks Bukka. T-H-I-N-K-S, thinks, B-U-K-K-A, Bukka. In fact, I-N-F-S-E-T, fact. In fact, I should also underline, children, S-H-O-U-L-D, should. I should be eating, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating all that good food. I should be eating all the good food. Should not I? SHOULD should NOT not. Here O place will apostrophe S. Okay. Should not I? I have to grow up quickly. I have to grow up quickly. QUICKLY quickly. QUICKLY quickly. Okay. Bukka thinks, in fact, I should be eating all the good food. Should not I? I have to grow up quickly. Okay, Bukka thinks all the good foods eat at a time, he will become quickly grow up. Okay. After AFTER, after all, ALL, I have to, I have HAVE, have to, TO2, BECOME, become the leader, LEADER, leader one day. I have to become the leader one day. Okay. Bukka thinks all the good food eat at a time. Bukkas grow up quickly. After that, only become the leader of the elephant herd. Okay. So, Bukka, BUKKA, Bukka breaks. Bukka also underline children. BUKKA, Bukka, BREAKS breaks. BREAKS breaks. So, Bukka breaks off flowers. FLOWERS flowers. FLOWERS flowers also underline children. And 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 ALSO also branches. BRANCHES branches with nests. NESTS nests. So, Bukka breaks off flowers and also branches with the nests. He crushes snails underfoot. So, see the Bukka's very mischief. Okay. He crushes, CRUSHES, crushes. Crushes, underline children. Crushes snails, SNAILS, snails underfoot. UNDER under FOOT foot. He crushes snails underfoot. Okay, turn the page number 1616. He SQUIRT squirts. He squirts water, WATER, water into 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 rabbit, RABBIT, rabbit holes, HOLES holes with 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 his trunk. With his trunk. Okay. He squirts water into rabbit holes with his trunk. SQUIRT. Squirts, underline children. Water into the rabbit holes with his trunk. All the animals, ALL, all the THE, the ANIMALS animals. All the animals are tired of his mischief. Tired, TIRED, tired. You should underline children. TIRED, tired. All the animals are tired of his mischief. MISCHIEF. Mischief also you should underline children. Mischief means naughty behavior, bad behavior. Okay. All the animals are tired of his mischief. One day, ONE1 DAY day. One day they complain, COMPLAIN, complain to the TO2 THE, to the leader of the elephant herd. One day they complain, 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 complain to the leader of the elephant herd. Please do something. PLESE, please. DO, SOMETHING, something. Please do something. They tell the leader. Okay, all the animals went to the leader of the elephant herd. They tell to the leader, please do something. Okay, we are all tired of Bukka's mischief. Okay. They, THEY, they tell the leader. Okay, Bukka, Bukka is becoming. Bukka is Becoming. Becoming, becoming very naughty. Very, very, Naughty, naughty. Bukka is becoming very naughty. The leader hears them. Leader, Hears, hears them, them, out and realizes, realizes that naughty Bukka needs to be taught a lesson. The leader hears them out and realizes that naughty Bukka needs to be taught a lesson.